Citigroup selling its Phibro energy trading business to oil producer Occidental Petroleum. Now, specific terms haven't been disclosed quite yet, but we're going to go right here to Adam. You've been looking at this from a market's perspective right now. What do we know?
Here's what we know. Again, as you said, specific terms not disclosed, but we do know that Occidental is paying $250 million, the net asset value for Phibro, a very storied trading firm. Remember, Phibro came out of the old Solomon Brothers, was a standalone trading entity, very powerful. In a previous life, I actually traded oil, went up against Phibro. These guys are very good. They make a lot of money. And money, of course, is what it's all about. You look at Occidental, they have 10,000 employees, revenue per employee, $2.3 million. The CEO, Ray Irani, he made $60 million last year. So Andy Hall, who wants his $100 million, he's going to feel right at home.
Right, that's a big question. Andrew Hall, who was, making a lot of noise about still wanting to make that $100 million, even though
that's right.
Now part of a firm accepting TARP funds.
That's right. He's found a place where it looks like he will be in good company, where he will have a chance to do that. Stock is now up about $1.20. When the news first hit, stock was down 50 cents. But as more details start to come out, you'll probably see more. Well, you'll certainly see commentary from the analysts. Now, from Citi's point of view, Citi, by the way, down a nickel. You know, it's just, yes, on the one hand, it puts something behind Citi. In other words, Ken Feinberg, the pay czar, can now make a little check next to his list of firms with issues. Obviously, this getting Andy Hall out of there because he won $100 million helps Citi in that sense. But, Citi's also losing an opportunity to make money with Phibro. So a bit of a tough read for Citi. Down a nickel. A tough read.
You are seeing that pressure, but in some ways, people could say, well, perhaps Vikram Pandit is tightening the ship a little bit, honing in on the core assets of that business. Interesting that energy trading isn't one of them now.
No, energy trading, not a core business to banking. I mean, you walk down the street and you see Citi banking ATMs, and certainly energy trading, not part of that. It was profitable. Citi has also said it will not affect earnings materially, assuming there are earnings. So, yes, Vikram Pandit, you're absolutely right, tightening the ship, getting back to core values, shedding other businesses. There talk at Citi, there is talk at Citi about shedding some of the Japanese businesses, for example. So, yeah, bringing it back in, doing what they do best, focusing on banking. That's really what Citi's trying to do. Meanwhile, Occidental gets the benefit of a trading operation that it can now integrate into its actual operating format. Occidental drills for oil, they ship oil, so getting trading is a huge benefit for them.
Perhaps the biggest winner, Andy Hall, maybe getting his $100 million. Thank you so much, Adam, for that.